Are you having issues with your Instagram stories having no sound? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix this, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what I'm going to do first is to come to my Instagram app and then come to my profile right here, as you can see, and the next step to fix this issue, then what we need to do is to click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines, and as you can see, we're now taken to this page right here, which is great. What I'm going to do in here is to click where it says settings. So click on settings in here. And as you can see, I'm now taken to this page right here, which is great. Now I'm going to scroll down until I can see where it says help. And that is exactly where you need to click. So click on help in here. And then I'm going to click where it says report a problem. So click on report a problem. Once again, click on report a problem in here. And then I'm going to click on include and continue to be able to be taken to this page right here. And in here, you're actually able to contact the Instagram support directly, and we need to do this to fix this issue. So I'm going to demonstrate to you now exactly what you need to write. So I'm going to write like this: I'm having issues with my stories having no sound. I need this fixed because it's very important for my Instagram user experience. The reason why I also write the Instagram user experience part is because they will take this extra serious, because they will think that if this is not fixed, then you might actually leave the app. So basically, now when you're done, just click on send. So you need to write exactly like this basically, and you need to then wait like 1 to 2 business days. Try to post like the exact same story again, and hopefully that will be fixed for you after that. So basically, this is exactly how to do this. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also, please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.